name on one?
Yep.
Can you write my name on one?
Ah, what did you eat, Barrett?
Nutella.
It looks like you have a mustache.
Hi, Cricketers.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie, and this is my daughter,
Sierra. Ow.
Okay. Did you know that you can buy color changing vinyl on Amazon? I recently found this and I had to try it.
I did not know that was a thing.
Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. And it worked out really good because I recently went to Five Below and I found these color changing cups. So what better thing to try color changing vinyl on than color changing cups? I can't wait to see how this comes out.
Let's move over to Cricut Design Space so we can design our project.
Step 1. Design project using Cricut Design Space. I'm using 3 of my favorite fonts for this project. They're from Creative Fabrica, and I will include links to all of these fonts down below in the video description. I personally love Creative Fabrica. I use their fonts and designs on almost every Cricut project that I do. If you've been on the fence about trying Creative Fabrica, you can actually sign up for free through the link down below in my video description. They're all-access membership that gives you unlimited access to everything on their website. All their fonts and graphics with commercial license included is normally $29 a month. However, with the promotion through my channel, you can sign up for free, and after the first month, your subscription will renew at only $9 instead of $29. That is a 70% off discount, and you can cancel anytime. Once you're in Design Space, click the text box and begin typing the names that you want to use. Then change the font to whatever font you'd like to use for this project. Change your font colors to match the type of vinyl you'll be using. Step 2. Measure project and resize in Design Space. All of the names are going to be about 3.5 inches big. Use the double arrow in the bottom right-hand corner to shrink your design down to about 3.5 inches. If you have any cursive fonts, make sure you weld them together. Step 3. Cut your vinyl. Step 4. Cut on Cricut. To make cutting this project super fast and easy, I'm going to put all of the names onto one mat. Select mat 2, click the 3 dots, and click Move Object to mat 1. Repeat the same process. Next, you want to drag the names to each corner of the mat. I'm putting Barrett's names on the right side and Sierra's names on the left side. Next, stick your cut pieces of vinyl in all of the 4 corners on your mat. Make sure you line the colors up with the names that you want to use. Click Continue, select your material. I'm using vinyl, and I'm setting the pressure to more because I've never worked with this material before. Now is when I like to refill my wine glass, maybe grab a snack, and let the Cricut machine do its thing. Step 5. Weed your project. This vinyl is a little bit harder to weed than what I usually use, which is Oracle 651 vinyl, but it wasn't hard enough where I couldn't do it. Step 6. Clean the surface. I always clean my blanks with a coffee filter and rubbing alcohol. I use a coffee filter because it's lint-free. Step 7. Transfer your design with transfer tape. I want to take a quick moment to say that I'm sorry that the video quality is about to be so bad right now. It got dark out halfway through filming and I didn't realize that it affected the quality until I began editing. Lesson learned, I will never film once the sun goes down. I thought that this vinyl was going to be white, but it's actually clear. I'm curious to see what color it changes once I add cold water. That looks really cute. Now comes the fun part. We get to test out the color-changing cups with the color-changing vinyl. You ready? This is gonna be so fun. Which cup should we start with? The clear one?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what this clear vinyl does.
We didn't know it was clear.
I know, it looked like it was white.
I thought it was white too.
This is what the sheet of vinyl looked like, and I put it on, and it's clear.
Just to be weird.
I don't know.
So
It's
this
weird.
doesn't happen. Oh my god, the cup.
So the cup is changing dark.
Oh, the vinyl.
Whoa.
That's so pretty.
That is really cool.
I love that. Oh, I love that.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I love that font too.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Well, you got from my stocking.
Yes, it's the same font we used on your stocking. It's called Thick, and it's from Creative Fabrica. So I'll have a link below in my video description if you want to download that font. Now for this one.
I'm excited for that one. That looks pretty.
I like this hot pink.
Oh my god, I love it.
Look how much the color is changing.
Like pink and a totally dark purple.
What color do you think the yellow's changing? Take a guess.
Like a little bit like a darker pink.
Are you ready to see?
That's interesting.
All right, you ready to see Barrett's?
Wow.
So we're starting off with a green cup in blue vinyl. What do you think it's going to change?
I don't know. Oh, the green is like...
All right, the green's getting darker.
The blue doesn't really look like it's changed.
What is this blue doing? Barrett's did nothing on this one.
Let me see it. No, it's got much darker.
You think it's darker? So this one turned from clear to like a dark bluish purple. So that's really cool.
I love him.
And the blue went from a light blue to like a dark blue.
And the vinyl's pink.
Hot pink to purple. That's so fun. I love that one.
And then Barrett's is not really changing.
The green and the blue is kind of a dud. It didn't really do much.
I'm surprised by this one. This one's like nice.
This is like a very vibrant color change. I like that.
I like that, so. Thanks for watching. Bye.